Hello friends, welcome to this Filmora video editing tutorial. Today I am going to show you a super easy trick to make trending shots with the ghost clone effect in Filmora. Whether you are making YouTube shorts, Instagram reels or TikTok videos, this effect will make your content stand out. Let's get started step by step. I have imported a vertical format video, which is ideal for shorts and reels. If your video is not vertical, you will need to resize it to fit the format. Now simply drag and drop your video onto the timeline. Add the same video again and place it above the first one in the timeline. Select the video clip placed on the top layer in the timeline. Go to the AI Tools section and turn on AI Portrait Cutout. It may take a few seconds to process. The AI Portrait Cutout automatically removes the background from your video, making it perfect for creative effects like the ghost clone. If you hide the main video track, you will clearly see how the AI Portrait Cutout works on the top video clip. Go to the Effects section. Under the Body Effects, look for the effect called Human Clone Shining. Drag and drop this effect directly onto the top video clip. Now play the video to see how the effect comes together in action. Next to the speed option, you will find the effect settings panel. Here you will see 5 different settings: color, shining, distort, speed and distance. Use the color option to change the color of the clone effect. Adjust the shining setting to make the clone brighter or dimmer. The distort slider controls how twisted or stretched the clone looks. With the speed setting, you can make the clone appear faster or slower. Use the distance option to move the clone closer to or further from the original subject. It is best to play around with these settings to find the perfect match for your edit. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video.